Hi there, students. Nadir. Nadir. This is a noun, a countable noun. This means something at its lowest level. I think we ought to look at this word from a point of view of astronomy to start with. Let's see, if you go to the North Pole in summer, there are days that last 24 hours. The sun never sets. And the sun can go at the middle of the day, it goes to its highest point, its zenith. And when it's at its lowest point, this is the nadir. So the nadir is the lowest point when you are looking at a planet. Its lowest point when as you see it. Okay? But we use nadir to talk about the worst moment for something. So this defeat was the nadir of his sporting career. Yeah, the worst moment, the lowest level. Yeah. During the night, my spirits drop to their nadir, to their lowest point. Yeah. So the worst moment, the moment of least hope, the moment of least achievement. You could have this as well in the stock market, where the price of a share is dropping and dropping and dropping, and when it gets to its lowest level, this is the nadir. So the exchange rate of the currency was dropping steadily, but finally reached its nadir, its lowest level, its lowest point. Okay, so the most unsuccessful point in a situation, being sacked as from his position as chairman of the company, was the nadir of his career, the lowest point, the worst moment, the very, very worst thing. He was at the nadir of his fortunes, the nadir of despair, the depths of despair, the deepest point, the lowest point, the very bottom, rock bottom, the all-time low. This presidency was the nadir of this country's fortunes. Okay, the very lowest point. Okay, so from an astronomical point of view, when you view a planet that's going round, its lowest point in the sky, yeah, and the zenith is the highest point. So nadir is the lowest point of something, and then we use this nadir to talk about the worst point in your career, the low, the very the point of least hope, the point of least success, the lowest level. So something is at its nadir. Formality, I think this is quite a formal word. I think I would probably give it 6.5 in formality. I guess you could use it in a semi-formal conversation. Informally, its lowest point, its all-time low. So use it I think best in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, this word comes from Arabic, from medieval Latin, nadir, from Arabic. Nazir as-samt, samt, okay? The nazir, the counterpart. I'm sure there are people, some of you out there who can explain this better than me. So, nadir, the lowest point. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Nadir.